Introduction to correction. Correction as a pillar of the criminal justice system. For criminal justice system purposes, the term correction and correctional are words detecting a variety of functions typically carried out by government agencies and involving punishment, treatment, and supervision of person. Function of correction. Correction is the pillar which is tasked to correct and rehabilitate person whom was of after due process. Further definition of function of correction, it is a branch of criminal justice system charged with the responsibility of the custody, supervision, reformation, and rehabilitation of convicted offender.
Ilaga mo na.
Gago. Penology. The term first used penology, which means science that deals with the study of punishment for crime or criminal offenders. Correctional administration. The study of practice of a systematic management of jails or prison and other institution authorized with the custody, treatment, and rehabilitation of criminal offender. Correctional system. A correctional system, also known as penal system, is a network of agencies that function related to rehabilitating convicted person through either institution. It composed 6 agencies under 3 distinct and separated departments. The 3 departments are DILG, DOJ, and DSWD. DILG consists BJMP. DOJ consists of Bureau of Correction, Board of Pardons and Parole and Probation. At department are DILG ng DOJ and DSWD. Ng department are DILG, DOJ, and DSWD. DILG consists BJMP, DOJ consists of Bureau of Correction and Board of Pardons and Parole and Probation Administration. DSWD consists of Child and Youth Welfare Bureau and 10 Regional Youth Rehabilitation Center. 2 forms of correction system: institutional correction, non-institutional or community-based correction. Term not to miss. Penal management, it refers to the manner or practices of managing or controlling places of confinement as a jail or prison. Punishment means or social control. It is a device to cause people to become conducive and to induce conformity. Means of social control. It is a device to cause people to become conducive and induce conformity. Forms of punishment in primitive society: death penalty, physical torture or corporal punishment, public humiliation and shaming, banishment or exile, other similar forms of punishment in the transportation and slavery. Early forms of prison discipline: hard labor, deprivation, monotony, mass movement, uniformity, degradation, corporal punishment, isolation or solitary confinement. Contemporary forms of punishment: imprisonment, parole, probation, fine, and destierro. Justification of punishment. Number 1, retribution. The punishment should be provided by the other whose sanction is violated. Expiation or atonement is the punishment in the form of a group vengeance where the purpose is to appease the offended public or group. Deterrence is the punishment gives lesson to the offender by showing to the others what should happen to them if they violated the law. Protection or Protection or incapacitation means that the public will be protected if the offender has being held in the condition where we cannot harm others, especially the public. Reformation or rehabilitation is the establishment of the usefulness and responsibility of the offender. Punishment has certain limitation on the offender. That's all. Thank you. By the way, good morning.